Nagpaplano ka bang mag-upgrade ng wall, ceiling, or ng flooring mo? Pero hindi mo alam kung saan kukuha ng kumpletong materials. Hi, I'm Jan from Moderno Concepto. Nagsusupply kami ng iba't ibang klaseng WPC fluting panel. Merong pang indoor and may pang outdoor din naman. Sa mga WPC fluted panel na pang indoor, meron kaming shallow groove, wide groove, meron ding deep groove, bamboo groove, wave groove, at acoustic panel. Meron din kaming in-offer na para sa indoor wall na UV boards, bamboo fiber board, at Plexistone. Para naman sa pang-outdoor walls, meron kaming WPC outdoor fluted panel, wood planks, at Plexistone. Para naman sa ceiling, meron kaming iba't ibang klase ng design. Meron kaming seamless, big groove, 3-in-1, at PVC ceiling spandrel. Meron din pala kami, ceiling tubes. For indoor flooring naman, meron din kaming SPC flooring na may iba't ibang kulay. At kung outdoor flooring naman, meron kaming outdoor decking. O baka kailangan mo ng divider. Meron kaming WPC column bar for indoor and outdoor. Ikaw, baka may kailangan kang finishing materials. Message mo lang ako. Ako ulit si Jan and see you sa my next video ko.